What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs.
Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 1st of February 2024. Happy New Month! Our topic for today na to be God Pikin part 2. We go see our memory verse for John chapter 8 verse 35. Person wey be slave no dey stay for inside that family forever, but person wey be pikin for the family na im dey stay forever.